Hey there guys, it's been a while now, but hey, here am I once again. I come today with this video to show you my very first flight at the new launch site. I was pretty concentrated or slash nervous. I was on mute mode, I didn't say no word whatsoever, so I decided to narrate it. So this flight took place like 2 months ago, but I still decided to share it with you. I thought I'm going to land much sooner than I expected. Subscribe! Okay, jokes aside guys, let's roll the clip. Enjoy.
Look at this, guys!
Yeah, so here am I now at the new local launch site, not very far away from where I'm living. I just thought I should show you some other places too. That's in the southwest of Germany. The wind was really strong, as you can see. The whole glider was lifted from the ground, even though I had the D's pulled, or the C's. And after several failed attempts, I will manage to bring my glider up in the air. I really had it under control. Just pay attention how the air goes from the trailing edge to the leading edge through the cell openings. That's just awesome, the way you can see the air. I'm not sure if you have ever seen this before so clearly, but I'm so happy that I have this on camera. So here I took off, not knowing where the landing site is. Well, I kinda knew where it should be, but it's the first time flying here. So I decided, of course, to follow the pack. So those are the other gliders in the air. If you're wondering what am I doing the whole time with my legs, is because, I don't know, I had the feeling that I might be a bit more aerodynamic, even though it makes no sense with one leg, but yeah. Anyway, just want to share this with you as being my first flight at this launch site. Yeah, here I'm just trying to find a good terminal to climb. I'm trying every direction, right, left. I'm looking at other gliders in the air, at possible birds. There was unfortunately no bird, but there were some hang gliders, as you're going to see further in the video. And I really managed to see the launch site. There is one hang glider. Yeah, so I find some stable thermal sources. I'm trying to center them. It's pretty late in the evening. This is like maybe 7 o'clock now. And the thermals are not strong anymore, but still I am confident that I can find several thermals to stay up in the air longer. I didn't want to land right after taking off. So I was very happy to see that I was higher than many other gliders or hang gliders. Yeah, my legs once again. Sorry about that. I know it might be distracting at times. Yeah, so now I decided to follow this guy. He had a B or a C glider, and I was like, oh, let me just maybe follow him. Maybe he has some better knowledge about this terrain, this mountain here. So I follow him, but I think he didn't have an idea either about this place. So you saw there the way he just climbed up on the thermal. Yeah, so I'm going again back and forth, trying to find a better lift. where basically I was just fighting to stay up. I could not really make progress. I couldn't go higher than 1,250 meters, I think. Considering that the launch site is at 1,204 meters. Yeah, but there's just some beautiful view. Just trying with this hang glider to find the thermal. And at one point I decided, not, let me just fly back. Maybe I can find again something there. But I couldn't, as you can see here. So I'm flying back. Now it was maybe like 20 minutes later. Yeah, so I'm here deciding to fly a bit back and to see what happens, but I lost a lot of altitude, so I am just trying to stay at this ridge where the forest starts, because the wind was coming from the west, so it would really create this dynamic wind. Maybe some thermal bubbles as well would be rising higher. So now I was just flying on this ridge, or at the edge where the forest starts, and trying to just soar, more or less. Not really get higher, but just soar. I want to take everything out of this flight, every single drop. Didn't want to waste no chance to stay longer in the air.
Yes, yes, very, very, very comfortable. Everybody comes down, that's it.
Yeah, so now we're just having fun flying above the landing site, after of course noticing where it is.
Hey! Wait! Woohoo!
I really love this turn right here. I really felt that I'm going to hit the tree. Well, I knew I'm not going to, but it was just awesome. So yeah, man, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe. Was just funny to show you my first flight attempt at this local launch site, at the new one. So see you in the next one.